Hey, welcome back to Caterpillar Cross Stitch. My name's Meg and today I am so excited to be introducing to you the new stitch along Halloween. Pre-orders for this spooktacular new stitch along opens on the 21st of May at 7 p.m. UK time. And don't worry if you're seeing this after pre-order opens or even after part 2 has been released, you can still come along and join in on this amazing stitch along. This is a really special seasonal stitch along, and as always, it is designed to be fun, relaxing and very exciting as each part of the design reveals itself over time. Hello-ween was designed by our very own Sally Wilson, who a lot of you will know from Caterpillar Cross Stitch. However, for those of you who are not sure, Sally is our founder and creative director. She is the creative mind behind a lot of our SALs and a lot of our projects, and she has been designing things for Caterpillar Cross Stitch since she started almost 11 years ago. The overall design for this stitch along is a surprise, but I do have a sneak peek here which I can show you, which is a tiny element from the whole finished piece. Halloween sits in a theme of many other SALs that we have done that we know lots of you absolutely love. And that theme and style is our trees. And here we've got some previous examples of some trees. So here we've got Hello Petal. That's a tree, just not the right kind of tree. Also a tree, not the right kind of tree. I have a few of our trees right here that I can show you. This one will actually be our 6th tree in the series, which is crazy. Lots of these trees can be found on our website at www.caterpillarcrossstitch.com. Here we have Hello Deer, then we've got Hello Pumpkin, Hello Petal, and also Hello Sunshine. We do also have Hello Holly as well. This stitch along will be released in 4 parts, with the first part releasing on the 16th of June and the last part releasing on the 16th of September. It is the perfect Halloween treat to be stitching throughout the summer, and it'll be perfect ready in time for Halloween. We do ship worldwide, and for international orders we do recommend choosing a shipped tracking at checkout, just to be on the safe side. This stitch along is suitable for both beginners and experienced stitchers. It's simple and relaxing enough for beginner stitchers to follow along, but also has so many exciting elements that will keep things fun and engaging for those experienced stitchers. There are no complicated stitching techniques in this stitch along, in any of our other stitch alongs, or any of our patterns. That's no French knots, no back stitching, no half stitches, just full cross stitches. This truly is a project that will allow you to fully switch off and enjoy. At Caterpillar Cross Stitch, we create modern, beginner-friendly cross stitch kits, SALs, projects, you name it, we've got it. All designed to be fun, relaxing and accessible for everyone. Plus, by joining along, you will be joining such a fun community of fellow stitchers, and lots of you also have made friends for life through this community, which is just so lovely to see. And another super exciting thing here at Caterpillar Cross Stitch is our Stitch Club, which offers you 10 free cross stitch patterns worth over £60. And all you have to do to sign up is enter your email and sign up for our newsletters. The link to do this will be in the description below. If you have never stitched before and you would like to get into it, but you're not sure whether you want to spend money on it because you don't know if you're going to enjoy it, you're not sure if it's right for you, then joining the Stitch Club is the perfect thing to do, because you get 10 free cross stitch patterns. So what more could you want? It is the perfect place to start. Now I know you're probably asking, what exactly is a stitch along? So let me explain this as best as I can. A stitch along, also known as a SAL, is where a larger project is broken down into smaller sections which are released over time. Stitching smaller sections makes it really manageable to keep on top of things. There is no pressure to stitch the whole thing all at once and get it done straight away. Normally you have roughly around a month to finish part 1 before part 2 is released. Using Hello Petal here as an example for you, what you might find is that, for example, you might get this as your first section, this as your second section, and so forth. And gradually over time, you will begin to see your project come to life. It's fun, exciting, and a little bit mysterious. Each part release of a stitch along comes as a PDF format, so it does land in your inbox at 12 p.m. on the day of the release. That's 12 p.m. UK time on the day of the release. From there, you can keep it as a PDF digital format. You can print this off. I know lots of people move it over onto apps that they can use. So it's super flexible and it means that you can use it in a way in which you work best. We have been releasing stitch-alongs since about 2017. So it's something that we are super passionate about and cannot wait for you all to see Halloween. From the 21st of May at 7 p.m. UK time, the link will be in the description box here where you can go and order your Halloween stitch along. So you can order as a PDF only, but we do also offer a full supply kit. The kits are amazing value for everything that is included, and it does mean that you can start stitching as soon as part 1 is released. If you choose to get your supplies directly from us, we do ship ahead of the start date, so we always recommend getting in your order super early so that it is with you in time for the part 1 release. So let's have a look at what's included in the kit. Inside your Halloween kit, you'll receive full, easy to follow instructions. These have everything you need to know. So if you are new to cross stitch, there is also a little graphic here at the top which shows you how to start your cross stitch, and it has top tips on there. There are 7 instructions here as well. It's great. It's perfect for if you are a newbie and you are not sure where to start. Do not worry, we have your back. Then you will also receive colour and black and white versions of your PDF pattern. Now these are digitally, so they will be landing in your inboxes at each part release. You will also receive 15 shades of finest DMC floss here as well on 2 assorted thread cards. So as you can see, they are numbered on there as well. So that will match up with your pattern, so you would know exactly which colour goes where. You will also receive your grey Zweigart fabric in the count of your choice. So we do offer 14 and 16 count Ada as well as 32 count even weave for this Halloween SAL. If you are new to cross stitch, or you've had a break, you're getting back into the swing of things, or you're just not too sure where to start, we always recommend starting with 14 count Ada. That is the easiest fabric for you. And just to explain a little further, the count is simply how big the squares are on the fabric. So a lot of people who may have difficulty with looking at things closer up tend to go for a 14 count as well, just because it's a little bit easier to see on the eye. Attached to the fabric as well is your high quality needle, which will be at the correct size for the fabric that you have chosen. Everything will come packaged inside one of our kits here, beautifully hand packaged here in Warwickshire. You will also be able to flip this over. It doesn't actually have a sticker on there at the minute for me to show you. However, on the back of these wallets as well is all further information that you need, such as dimensions, stitch count, everything like that. So everything that you need is super clear all in one place. But wait, let's make your stitching experience even better. For the Halloween stitch along, we have 2 additional add-ons that you can add to your order, which will make your stitching experience that tiny little bit better. The first one that we have is this sweetest little bat needle minder. And I must say he is very, very sweet because he was designed by me. He is so super cute. And for those of you that are like, Meg, what on earth is a needle minder? Let's explain that for you. So our enamel needle minders do come on this lovely pink card that you can also take off, and you will see that there is a magnet on both sides and a little magnet here which goes over your fabric and clips on like that. Then we will grab our needle and place it on. This way you are never ever ever going to lose a needle again. It is not going to land under your sofa, under the sofa cushions, on your cat, in your hair. You're never going to have any of that ever again, because I'm going to shake this really hard and you're going to see nothing is going to fall off. There you go, see, the needle is still on there. I can pull and pull and pull, and that's how hard I have to pull for the needle to come off. And there you go. The perfect little add-on for your stitch along. We also have over 50 other designs of needle minders on our website, so do be sure to check those out. If you've never come across a needle minder, once you get one, trust me, you are going to want the whole collection. They are so collectible, but also the most useful thing I've ever used in cross stitch. And I can put my hands up when I say that. They are lifesavers. And finally, you also have an A4 matching project bag. How cute is this. I am obsessed with the design, and this is the perfect thing to hold all your supplies in. So in here, I'm going to pop my fabric. I'm going to grab my threads from my kit. I'm going to grab my instructions card, my needle minder, and even my current whip. All in there, safely tucked away, ready for me to go and either travel or just to keep things tidy and organized so I know where things are, because I'm sure I'm not the only one that will put something down in a safe space and I can never remember where that safe space is. These lifesavers as well. This bag also features a few designs that might give you a little hint as to what's going to be included in the stitch along. And we do also offer a PDF only option if you do prefer to either gather your own supplies, or maybe you've already got all the colours and the fabric that you need in your stitchy stash. Once you do purchase the PDF option, everything is emailed to you. So all the colours that you need, the fabric, everything, stitch count, it's all there. So all the information will be sent to you so you know exactly what to source. We always provide full support for our stitch alongs and beyond through our amazing customer service. So if you do need to reach out to us, you can do by emailing us at support@caterpillarcrossstitch.com. We also have over 450 YouTube videos. So if you are looking for something, whether that be a tutorial, a tip, a how-to finish my project, or you just want to see a bit more about us, a bit more about our products, we have a video for it. So do check out our YouTube channel and also hit that subscribe button, because we are trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. You can also join our Facebook group with over 25,000 members. There, lots of people become friends, talk about ongoing and current projects, advice, tips. If you're a newbie, don't worry, everyone is so friendly on there. No question is a silly question over on that group. So it's definitely such a safe space. If you do want to join and you're just a little bit anxious about it, do not worry. Honestly, everybody on that group is so lovely, all 25,000 of them. The links to all our socials will be in the description box below, but we do recommend going on and joining us over on Instagram. We're on TikTok, we're on Facebook, YouTube, we're everywhere. So do come and join us, join the community, become friends with so many other like-minded stitchers. It is just the perfect place to be. One thing I love about the Facebook group as well is everyone's excitement and eagerness as we are waiting for a new project to be released or a new part of a stitch along to be released. Everyone is just so excited, building up each other's excitement. But also when people post pictures of their ongoing projects or they need some help, they have so many people behind them, cheering them on, helping them to fix and resolve any issues that you have in terms of, oh my goodness, I know I've gone wrong somewhere, but I can't figure out where, please help. It's amazing. Within 5 minutes, people are like, this is where you've gone wrong, you just need to frog it here. It's incredible, honestly, the best place to be. And speaking of friends, this stitch along could make the most perfect gift. So whether you want to gift it to someone that you know loves cross stitch, or whether you want to gift it to someone as a surprise, maybe to start them off on a hobby that you already love, or maybe you just want to gift it to someone that you know is going to love it and will love stitching along beside you, this honestly makes the most perfect gift, because it's not just like a open it once, it's done kind of thing. It's, you know, it's released over 4 parts. That's 4 whole months of getting something new each time. It's perfect. And we also do offer a free gift note at checkout as well. We also offer a 100% satisfaction money back guarantee. So that is how we just know that you're going to love it. In simple words, we just know. I can tell you now, you are going to love it. No doubt about it. That is truly how confident we are. We do ship internationally as well. So like I've said before, we do recommend if you are purchasing anything internationally to use a shipped or /signed for tracking option at checkout, just to be on the safe side, because you wouldn't want any of this to go missing. This really truly is the most magical, relaxing stitching experience that you can come across. And stitching in sections makes something of a larger project seem so much more manageable. I know so many people that look at larger projects and think there is no way that I'm going to be able to stitch that. But here, each part released is a smaller section, and it just means that you can focus on that one specific section at a time. It's not going to become overwhelming because you've just got that little bit to focus on, and by the end of it, you are going to have this beautiful large design. And don't forget, you can join in at a stitch along at any stage. So whether that's during pre-order or after part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 has been released, even when the whole thing has been complete, you can still come along and join us and stitch this beautiful project. And finally, don't forget to share your progress, pictures, videos, everything with us on socials. You know how much I love to see it, share it, cheer you on. And this time we'll be using the hashtag Hello-ween SAL. We love celebrating this journey with you, and I know so many of you love to cheer others on as well. So definitely use this hashtag when sharing on social media so that lots of people can hop on the hashtag and search it, see all your beautiful progress pictures. So don't forget to head over to the website on the 21st of May at 7 p.m. UK time to pre-order the Hello-ween SAL. I am so excited for this. Just grabbing the sneak peek for you here again. I loved stitching even just this little bit, and I cannot wait to begin stitching the whole thing with you all. I am so looking forward to it, and I feel like lots of you love Halloween, so this is the perfect project to be joining in on. From the 21st of May at 7 p.m, you can get your hands on the Halloween stitch along. The link will be in the description box below from the 21st of May at 7 p.m. I'm so excited. I'd love to know what elements you think might be appearing on the Halloween stitch along, so do let me know down in the comments, and I am so excited to start stitching with you on the first release, which is on the 16th of June. I am so excited. That's not that far away now. Thank you all so much for watching. My name's Meg, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more amazing videos about products, tutorials, tips, how-tos, so many amazing, incredible things. We have a new video out every Monday and sometimes on a Thursday, so don't forget to subscribe. Help us reach that 100,000 subscribers. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you over on socials and again soon in another video. Bye!